Let's get to the final trade of the day. For that, we have pro trader and day trader Mike Shorr standing by. Mike, what are you trading right now?
Hey, let's concentrate on Uber today, ticker UBER. And I'm playing off of the $32 level. A lot of support there. So I'm buying calls at 32. You're going to see resistance coming in, but for a little bit higher than that. But for a day trade, perfect place to just pull it in and a quick stop below that. Because if that support doesn't hold, I mean, I love playing these things with either bullish or bearish, but in this case, it's bullish, where you have clear support, you get a pullback there, and it hits it a bunch of times. And so buying at that 32 level and then selling it out, just for, a nice, 15, 20% winner. That level's been holding, and it's been a pretty clean trade, which is kind of, few and far between in the last few weeks as, the market's trying to still find itself. I've been saying that for months.
Mike, you seem really excited about this trade, which is unusual because sometimes it's hard to find a trade on a Fed day.
Yeah, and I would probably say it being a Fed day, no trade is probably the best trade, unless you really know what you're doing. Because if you're trading on that news, one, you may not have the complete story, and two, if you do, you're probably going to be one of the not the last to hear it, but there are algorithms and professional desks that get that. Do not chase news. And with it being a Fed day, definitely you can pull back on allocation a lot and widen out your risks a little bit. So you're still risking the same amount of money, but expect that volatility. And not that you're necessarily seeing it wrong. There's just a lot of buyers and sellers that are trying to do what the markets do as price discovery. And you're going to see a lot more fluctuations on a day like today.
Thank you very much, Mike.
Well, you're very welcome.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.